Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the DIYMechanics 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. Got a wonderful customer that is having a cranking issue. So I have my wonderful machine that's Bluetooth, and it's also a diagnostic machine. You can go to my bio page and you can click on mobile mechanic store. This is the BT1. It prints out, does everything Advanced AutoZone does when it comes to starters, alternators, and battery testing, and it also does a printout. It's also good for battery draws or parasitic draws, something drawing on your battery and drawing it down. So what we're going to do today is we're going to test this battery. This is a Bluetooth, so it's a blue wireless dongle. You plug it in like any other diagnostic machine, which is sitting right there. So we're going to do this together. I don't know the condition of the battery. I just want to do it together. It's already picked up on the VIN, so I'm going to press OK. It's going through. It's going to find his car and everything else for me. Okay. All right, it's telling me everything about the battery. So I'm going to get out of this. All right, so about a battery, how do we test it? You're looking for the cold cranking amps. So not the cranking amps, but the cold cranking amps, which is right there, is 600. This is a flooded battery or a regular battery. Battery and flooded are the same. So we're going to change it to 600. So I'm going to come over here and move this up like I'm playing a game. I'm going to hit next. It tells me everything to do. I'm going to hit next. It's telling me to turn everything off, including the ignition, due to the fact that the ignition is drawing power. So I'm going to turn it off. It's telling me exactly what to do. I'm going to hit that. It's completely off. All his lights, everything is off. You have to check mark it off. Otherwise, it's not going to let you go any further. I've already done all these stuff. I'm going to hit start testing. And now it's going to test the battery, and it's going to tell me what I need to know. It's saying replace soon. This is a Walmart battery, so I'm going to see if there's a sticker on it to tell me when this battery was actually made. It's a Walmart battery. It definitely says Walmart, but I'm looking for a sticker. Most batteries have a sticker when it was manufactured. How long you had this battery, sir?
Years now, probably about 4.
All right, so it's way overdue. I don't see a sticker, but normally there's a sticker. I'm going to pop my hood in my own vehicle to give you guys a better understanding of what I'm looking for. This is my work truck. I have a Walmart battery. Excuse me, I don't have a Walmart battery. I have a battery inside this vehicle, and I believe it has a sticker on it. Most batteries do. And that gives you a general idea how long the battery you had it. Mine, 224. That's the sticker I was looking for.
Okay.
So with that being said, 9 times out of 10, this customer is going to need a 100% going to need a new battery. So I'm going to hit the report. I'm going to print this out and hand it to the customer. This is just a demonstration of why you should have this machine. It has my name, my business, my phone number, his vehicle, and the results. Customers like things in their hand. You need 5 volts for stuff to work inside the vehicle, by which would be the radio, anything inside the vehicle. You need a minimum of 12.5 volts in the battery. This one currently only has 10.65. When you crank that key, you're putting a load on the battery, a draw on the battery, amps on the battery to start this starter motor, which is right there. There you go. You can see it started right there. It's going to drop no less than 9.5 volts. Otherwise, the starter is going to do nothing. So we're going to go a step further. We're going to use something else that I like to use, which is giving vehicles jumps. You should always have one of these in your vehicle. Otherwise, you're going to depend on people jumping you. And if you do have jumper cables, make sure they're thick. If they are thin, you'll never jump yourself. you're never going to get a jump. But a lot of times you're going to be in a situation that you have to wait, or your wife or your girlfriend or yourself is going to be waiting literally for somebody to give them a jump. And a lot of times people just look at you like you're crazy. So this right here, we're going to jump this car to see if the car will start. I'm going to hand this to the customer, just like Advance or AutoZone. He has the results in his hands. We're not done, but we just want to see if I can get the car to start. A lot of times it's not the starter, alternator, which I haven't tested yet, and I'm going to test it. Again, I'm going to test it. But right now, we just want to get the car started. So again, if you want something that's in this video, you can go to my bio page, go to my Mobile Mechanics store. This not only serves as a jumper, but also it has, if you're in a hurricane and you lost power or whatever, it also is a portable battery. All right, so I'm going to put this together. I'm doing this with one hand. Could you hold this for me, sir, directly towards that direction? And you can zoom in or whatever you want to do. All right, so I'm putting this together. All I'm doing is taking this, putting it together. Once I get the green and red light, it is ready to go. And then it's going to make a clicking noise. That means it's ready to go. If it starts beeping at me, that means the battery is too dead to jump. If it's completely dead, you can't do nothing about it. Just go get another battery. So I'm going to put it on, and you're going to hear the click. There's your click. Now I'm going to come to the over here, and I'm going to try to start the car, see what it does. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is making noise, but the car has started. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to use a multimeter to see exactly what his alternator is doing and not doing. My machine can do it, but for intents and purposes, we're going to quickly do this, because if I use that machine, it's going to take another 5 minutes. So you're going to put negative on negative, which is red on red, which is positive right here, and then the black is negative. And his alternator is not, oh, yeah. His alternator is not working. It's supposed to be 14 volts. 13.8 to 14 volts. So he needs a battery and he needs an alternator at this moment. It is spinning. It does have a battery on it. So with that being said, it's flipping around doing some weird stuff. Yeah, we're still at 10. This thing's not working. So anyway, that's just to let you know, jumping the car, if it's a starter, the car wouldn't have started. Alternator charges the battery runs the car. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.